Hi, welcome to mathematics. In this video, we want to find dy dx of y is equal to open bracket x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 square with a solution. The first is we should let u is equal to x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Let u to be equal to x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. If u is equal to x minus 1 divided by x plus 1, then we will have our y to be equal to u square. Now we differentiate y with respect to u. We have dy over du is equal to, we take 2 forward, we have u2 minus 1. This, we have it like, whenever we have u raised to power x, the differential of this will be x u s minus 1. And that's what we have here. So then we have dy over du is equal to 2u raised to power 1, and that is 2u. Also, here we have to find du dx. We differentiate u with respect to x. And to do that, we will obtain to obtain our dy dx using chain rule. Differentiate this with respect to u with respect to x. Let's say by chain rule, let's say here let x minus 1 be equal to u and let x plus 1 be equal to v. So by chain rule, chain rule says that we want to differentiate du dx v du dx minus u dv dx divided by v square. But let's recall from this that our u is equal to x minus 1 and our v is equal to x plus 1. Our u is equal to x minus 1. Then we have du over dx. We want to differentiate this. Differential of x is 1 and differential of 1 is 0. That is 1. We have our du dx to be equal to 1. Also, our v is equal to x plus 1. We have dv dx is equal to 0 is equal to 1 plus 0, and that is 1. Now we now substitute these parameters u, du dx, v, dv dx into our chain rule here. We have du dx is equal to our v is x plus 1. Then we have du dx. Our du dx is 1 minus u. Our u is x minus 1. Then our dv dx is 1 divided by v square. What's our v? Our v is x plus 1. Then we have square. Now we have du over dx is equal to, if you multiply, use this to multiply out this, we have x plus 1. Then we have minus, use this to multiply out this, we have x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 square. Then we use this minus to open up this bracket. We have du over dx is equal to x plus 1. Then this will be minus times x, that is minus x, minus times plus 1, that minus times minus 1, that is plus 1, divided by x plus 1 square. Then we have du dx is equal to x plus 1 minus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 square. This will cancel out this. We have our du over the x is equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2, divided by x plus 1 square. Well, since we have find the u dx, then our dy dx will be dy over du multiplied by du dx. If this cancel out this, we have dy dx. Left hand side will be equal to right hand side. So now we have our dy du and du dx. Our dy du, remember, is equal to u. Then this is our dy dx at du dx. So then dy dx will be dy du is 2u multiplied by du dx is 2 divided by x plus 1 square. If you multiply out this, we have dy dx is equal to 2u multiplied by 2, that is 4u divided by x plus 1 square. But recall that our u is equal to x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 from the beginning. So we now substitute this into this. We have dy the x is equal to 4. Our u is x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by, then we have x plus 1 square. Then we have the y, the x is equal to, we have 4x minus 1. We also have 4 over bracket x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 square. Then we have the y, the x is equal to 4x minus 1 divided by 4x plus 1. We change this division to multiplication, and that is 1x plus 1 square. Now we have the y, the x is equal to, use this to multiply out this, we have 4x minus 1 divided by this multiplied by this, we have 4. Then we have this and this, they are common, so we have x plus 1 cube. We will observe that this 4 will cancel out this. Then we have the y, the x is equal to x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 cube. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and network. Do well to also subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our next video. Thank you.